I'm going to show you this Peach Street humidifier. So I love a lot of things about this humidifier. One, it starts working really fast and it's super easy to use. So right now I don't have a lot of water in it just because I've been using it, but it is super easy to fill, which I will show you. So the things I love on the top, first off, is this handle makes it super easy to lift it off when you are wanting to fill it. And then this twistable nozzle, it is hard with one hand, but you can kind of just twist it to like where you want this to be, or twist it all the way off. And it can kind of just be facing towards you. So that is something that I like, because no matter where this is, it can be facing where you want it for, where you want the steam to come out. So when you want it to be turned on, it's just simple, easy like this. When it's plugged in, it turns green, it's on low. And it doesn't take like any time for it to get going. You can already see the low. And if I want it higher, I can go up to the 3 drops, and you can tell it is already full speed right off the bat, working amazing. When the water runs out, this button just turns off, or you can simply just spin it back to off. So if you need to refill this, it's pretty easy. You kind of just lift this up. Obviously mine wasn't empty, but it just kind of goes right there. You can untwist it with this big open close one, and it has a really big spot where you can fill it up. So I like that because I can do it in my faucet. And then here's the other little pieces. You should clean this out, so it is important to empty that out and clean it out every once in a while. But overall, I am super excited with this purchase. It's super easy to use. As soon as it's back on there, I can turn it back on, and it's right back and going. So if you're looking for an awesome humidifier, go check this one out.
It works so perfect. I love it.